Introducing a very useful automatic yogurt maker that can say goodbye to your worries about making curd in every season. It is operated by electricity and makes 1 liter thick and fresh yogurt, nutritious yogurt from milk or soy milk effortlessly. It has good quality stainless steel inner tank that is durable, strong, and easy to wash. Double-layer sealed fermentation is able to make fresh and vigorous yogurt in 6 to 8 hours effortlessly. It is compact in size so can be easily stored in the kitchen rack. It is an ultimate solution for making chemical-free thick homemade yogurt only in 6 to 8 hours. It only needs 700-watt input power to work and environment-friendly. Next compelling machine is a popcorn making machine operated by electricity. This popcorn machine does not need to add any ingredients like cooking oil. The hot air circulates hot air in the machine to heat the core to make the popcorns only in 3 minutes. The air popcorn has an advanced turbo heating chamber that increases unpopped grain through hot air. This machine is portable and you can enjoy low-calorie popcorn. Introducing a must-have tool roti maker machine that is operated with electricity. This tool is designed to make roti without gas easily. It has 12 inches non-stick plates that prevents the rot to stick on the plates. It also has cool steel body outside so it does not harm while operating. It makes round, thin and soft roti with perfection. It is very slim so it does not take much space in kitchen. Moreover, it's easy to move during traveling so you can use it anywhere we go. An other useful tool is 2-in-1 sandwich maker and waffle maker that offers 4 removable non-stick plates. This tool is designed to make delicious sandwiches and waffles in a single machine. Non-stick coating on the surface prevent food sticking on the sandwich maker. This automatic beater is beautiful, practical and easy to wash. It can whisk the eggs, cream and also make the dough without splashing out. Microwave oven dedicated steamer can be used to heat steamed bread in a microwave, steam cake without losing water. Next is disposable paper cups dispenser that can hold nearly 100 cups at a time and keeps the cups dust free. Another amazing kitchen gadget is Japanese tempura fryer with thermometer. It has a lid on it and also a gauze to drain the excess oil from tempuras. Deep fryer is fit to frying French fries, shrimp, and fish in a healthy way. Airtight cereal container is very efficient to keep our cereals fresh for longer time. It is made up of high-quality plastic that doesn't harm our health. Introducing a non-stick egg frying pan that can fry 4 eggs at a time and made of premium aluminum, coated with non-stick marble stone coating that ensures our daily cooking is safer and healthier. Storage rack for kitchen made of metal that makes its structure more durable. It keeps our kitchen clean and tidy that brings you a good mood. This shelf can store bowls, dishes, pans and pot. And this electric frying pan with egg fryer is also an ultimate solution for frying healthy food with little oil. It is made up of premium aluminum, coated with non-stick marble stone coating that ensures our daily cooking is safer and healthier. It has 2 removable plates that are easy to clean. This rotating grain dispenser adopts a transparent visual design which is convenient to check the remaining amount at any time, and it is easier to clean. The rotating rice bucket has a large capacity and can hold various dry foods. This electric grain grinder is compact size that is capable of grinding almost all the grains like rice, cereals, lentils and other hard dried stuff into fine powder. It has very sharp blades inside the inner stainless steel bowl. Introducing another need of our, a double-layered cooking pot with temperature control panel. It works with electricity. It performs well and has nice features like a steam release switch and handles on its cooking pot. It stirs the food automatically so no need to stand by the side while cooking. Last is a jumbo-sized electric rice cooker that is for your entire family. It has a modern touch panel by which you can control the temperature and cooking time for the food. It has premium aluminium, coated with non-stick marble stone coating inside its pot that ensures our daily cooking is safer and healthier. It has compact size so doesn't take much place in small kitchen. It works on steam cooking principle and use an input of 700 watts.